So should you withdraw all your funds from the KuCoin exchange? Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also check out the links in the description box below, especially I Trust Capital, where you can open up a crypto Roth IRA and invest in crypto tax-free. Make sure you check it out. Alright, so there has been a ton of different rumors going around that KuCoin is insolvent, that they owe like $500 million, that they're going under. A ton of rumors all over TikTok, all over Twitter. So a lot of people are asking me, bro, should I withdraw my money off of KuCoin? What should I do? So in today's video, I will pretty much go over everything and I will let you know exactly what I'm doing personally with my crypto that I have on the KuCoin exchange. This is nothing new. A lot of crypto exchanges are in big trouble. For example, Coinbase, Voyager, BlockFi, Celsius, you pretty much name it, there's probably rumors that they're insolvent. Some of the rumors are absolutely true. Some of them are complete BS created to spread more FUD in the crypto space. With some exchanges freezing customer funds or going completely bankrupt, you want to take these rumors very seriously, especially if you have large amounts of money on crypto exchanges. It doesn't matter what exchange it is. In my opinion, right now, a lot of them are facing issues. But we all know crypto is extremely tough and a lot of these exchanges are not going to survive. But some of them will survive. Some of them are going to come out stronger than ever and they are going to flourish in the next bull run. Right now, it is pretty much the battleground who will survive. In my opinion, all the exchanges have been taking extreme risk in order to grow their funds. And now a lot of those same exchanges that were pretty much degen investing pretty much into meme coins, into high risk plays, into pretty much everything. They were throwing money left and right and now it is coming to bite them in the butt. A lot more exchanges are going to be exposed and their degen practices are going to be brought to light. Some of them are going to make it, some of them are going to go under completely. No exchange is safe. Also, some of these accounts on Twitter that have been spreading this news that KuCoin is insolvent, a lot of them are completely fake. And in my opinion, probably other exchanges are battling it out and they're paying some bots, paying some users to pretty much come up with this FUD. But don't get me wrong, guys. Rumors tend to create panic and they can literally create the rumor. For example, right now, a lot of people are saying KuCoin is insolvent. They're going to go under. They're going to lock funds up. That can create a lot of fear in its user base where users can pretty much start withdrawing funds and pretty much create the rumor. But in my opinion, it is not worth taking the risk. Also, there are a couple of Twitter accounts claiming to be ex-KuCoin employees and they're pretty much saying that KuCoin is insolvent. Take it with a grain of salt. It could be true or it could be completely false. But guys, make sure to do what is best for your portfolio. Let me tell you exactly what I did. As you guys know, KuCoin is one of my favorite exchanges. Literally, I like KuCoin more than Coinbase, more than Binance, pretty much more than any other exchange out there. I love the features. I love how easy it is to use, all the benefits it offers. Pretty much, it is literally my favorite exchange. But after hearing all these rumors, after seeing Voyager go under, after seeing the issues with BlockFi, with Coinbase, I have to play smart. I have to do everything that is best for my crypto portfolio. So I did withdraw a lot of my crypto off of KuCoin, over 90% as I make this video. But I still do have positions that are over $10,000, over $15,000 on the KuCoin exchange, earning me interest. It is pretty much different cryptos that I invested over the time. But the majority of the crypto I did withdraw. If I lose the next 20,000 or 30,000 that I have on there earning me interest, it wouldn't pretty much affect me much. So I do not mind. Also, it is spread out over a couple different KuCoin accounts. But the majority of it has been withdrawn off of KuCoin. But the same thing goes for all the other exchanges that I'm using. For example, Binance.us. I withdrew over 90% of my crypto off of Binance as well. Coinbase withdrew over 98% off of Coinbase. And for some reason, I have a very bad feeling about Coinbase. I believe they are in deeper trouble than what they make it out to be. So the majority exchanges that I use, I have pretty much withdrawn the majority of my funds that I have on them. I still have those accounts. I haven't closed them. I have smaller positions on those accounts as well. So I'm not like 100% off of crypto exchanges. So who knows, in the next couple of months, everything might work itself out and it might be fine. Or it could be a very bad time for crypto exchanges. Personally, I'm not willing to take that risk. So like I always say, do what is best for your crypto portfolio. Also guys, if you have, for example, $10,000 and that is all the crypto that you have and it is on Coinbase, Binance, KuCoin, wherever, and it is sitting on one exchange, consider moving it, or at least splitting it up into different exchanges, or putting some in Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Make sure you split it up, because if that exchange goes down, you're pretty much going to be locked out of your crypto. So please do your research and do what is best for your crypto portfolio. All right, everybody, that concludes this video. Let me know in the comment section below, what are your thoughts on KuCoin? Do you think it will go under? Do you think it is insolvent? What do you think about Coinbase or Binance.us? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And as always, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, check out the links in the description box below, and see you in the next video. Peace out.